Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Few people have saved as many lives as Niels Bohlin, the Volvo engineer who in 1959 invented the V-type 3-point safety belt. A design as obvious as it was intelligent, perfectly suited to the seat occupant's body.
Let's help you make your mark.
1968. It wasn't until the late 1950s that an engineer at Volvo devised the 3-point seatbelt most of us are familiar with today. This new model secured the chest and hips with a single belt. These seatbelts became mandatory in all new United States vehicles in 1968.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Safety belts. Seat belts, both the lap belt and shoulder harness, must be in good working order. You may not operate your vehicle unless you and all your passengers 16 years of age or over, or who weigh 60 pounds or more, are wearing seat belts. If seat belts are not worn, you may be given a traffic ticket.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.